Moscow parrot, nam ka koi specific or widely recognized species directly scientific literature ya birdwatching communities main nahi milta. Lekin ya nam kuch different contexts main use ho sakta hai. Yahan kuch possibilities hain. 1. Ring-necked parakeet, Psittacula cromeri, in Moscow. Ye species, Jo South Asia or Africa se high, up coffee European cities main milti high, including Moscow, Russia. Log Aksar ise, green parrot, ya, Moscow parrot, keh deet hain jab ye local parks main dike j. Color, bright green with a ring around the neck, male. Behavior, loud calls, social, often seen in small flocks. Adaptation, ye cold climate main be survive kar leti high, isolai Moscow jays Sharon main settle ho gai high. 2. A local nickname. Kabi kabi local birds ko informal nam dai jate hain. Moscow parrot, koi nickname ho sakta hai jishi bird ya cultural figure kuliya. 3. Art or cultural reference. Russia ya Moscow ku culture main koi painting, book, cartoon, ya statue ho sakta hai jisa, Moscow parrot, kaha gaya ho, especially symbolic sense main. Aap kia dund rahi hain. Kia aapx specific bird species ku bear main puch rahi hain jo Moscow main milti hai. Ya koi funny ya local story / viral video jime Moscow parrot, ka zikr hai. Ya koi pet bird jo popular hai Moscow main.